Good morning, students. Yes, in my last class, what you learned, can you remember? Can you remember what you learned in the last class, in previous class? ಕಳೆದ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ರಿ? ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಏನು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್? ಎಸ್, ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. You learned what first? First thing you learned what? Sentence. So sentence means what? Sentence means what? Did you learn already? Yes, tell me. What is the answer? Sentence andre ಏನು? Sentence is a group of words. What is the meaning of sentence? Sentence is a group of words. So, do you know what is the difference between sentence and phrase? Phrase gives incomplete meaning. Phrase gives incomplete meaning. Even the phrase start with what? Preposition. Phrase start with what? Preposition. A sentence not start with preposition. Only phrase start with what? Preposition. These things you learned in the last class. Did you complete the homework? What I gave you homework? Huh? What homework you took in the last class? Just identify sentence and phrase. First homework I gave you. Sentence or phrase you just identify. Then rearrange the sentence. Rearrange the sentence. Even third exercise I gave you. So for phrase beginning with each of the following preposition, you make phrase. You make what? Phrase beginning with what? Preposition. Beginning with what? Preposition. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರೇಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ರೀಅರೇಂಜ್ ದಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಫ್ರೇಸ್ ಇದರಿಂದ ಮಾಡೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೋಸಿಷನ್. Phrase ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, in the morning, at noon, that's like you make a phrase by using the preposition. Okay, look at the second chapter in grammar group. In grammar, so second chapter is there. What is that? Kinds of sentence. What it is? Kinds of sentence. How many kinds of sentences are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾವೆ? ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ನೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ? 4 ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. 1, 2, 3, 4. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. Kinds of sentence. Kinds of what? Sentence. Kinds of sentence. How many kinds of sentence are there? There are 4. ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ? There are 4. There are 4 different kinds of sentence. Kinds of sentence. How many kinds of sentence? Tell me. ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ? 4. ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ? 4 ಪ್ರಕಾರದ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳಿದಾವೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಕಾರದ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳಿದಾವೆ? 4 ಪ್ರಕಾರದ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳಿದಾವೆ. Let us see one by one. First one is declarative, which is first one, declarative or assertive. Another word we have to call that positive. All are same. You write any one. Declarative, assertive, positive, three are same. Okay. ಇವು ಮೂರು ಒಂದೇ. ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀರಿ, ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀರಿ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್, ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರಿಟಿವ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರಿಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಂತ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಗೇಟಿವ್. ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್? ಇಂಟ್ರಾಗೇಟಿವ್. Second one is what? Interrogative. Okay. Third one is imperative. Third one is what? Imperative. Third one is what? Imperative. Fourth one, exclamatory. What is fourth one? Tell me. Exclamatory. Exclamatory. These are what? Kinds of sentence. These are called what? Kinds of sentence. Four kinds are there. First one declarative, second one interrogative, third one is imperative, then fourth one, what is fourth one here? Exclamatory. Did you understand? Now you write down. Let us study one by one. Okay. Now you write down all these things. Okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳಿದಾವೆ. ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳಿದಾವೆ? 4 ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳಿದಾವೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್, ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್. ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಕರೆದ್ರು ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ. Second one is what? What is the second sentence? Interrogative. Okay. Then third one yavuda? What is third one? Imperative. Third one is what? Imperative. Then fourth one yavuda? What is fourth one? Exclamatory. What is fourth one? Exclamatory. Let us study first one. What is the first one? Declarative, assertive or positive? So what is the definition? What is the definition of declarative, assertive or positive? See here. Write down the definition. Assertive sentence is a simple sentence. assertive sentence. What type of sentence it is? What kind of sentence? Simple sentence. It is the definition. Assertive sentence is a simple sentence. ಸರಳ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸರಳವಾಗಿರುವ ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿರುವ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಅಥವಾ ಸರಳ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಇರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ವಿಶೇಷತೆ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಮನ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಲೇಟ್. She is late. My name is Kiran. My name is Kiran. Then Raju sings a song. Raju sings a song. Then she lives in Almaty. She lives in Almaty. She lives in where? Almaty. Then we are what you are. Totally what you are. You are students, not teacher. What you are? You are students. We are students. We are students. Then Mahesh. Mahesh ran fast. Mahesh ran fast. 7th one. I like what? Sweet. I like sweet. Here's the example. Look at the board. They write an essay. They write an essay. Then 9-1. He drives car. He drives car. 10th one. He drives car. Then Rama killed Ravana. Rama killed Ravana. See here, 10 examples are here. These are simple sentences. These are very, very simple sentences. 10 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗಳಿದಾವೆ. ಏನಿದಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರಳ, ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸರಳ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳು, ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸರಳ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಶೇಷತೆ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಲೇಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಿರಣ್. ದೆನ್ Raju sings a song. Raju sings a song. Then she lives in Almaty. She, fourth example, look at it for the example. She lives in Almaty. Then fifth one, we are students. What you are? You are students. We are students. The next example, Mahesh ran fast. Mahesh ran fast. What it is? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ರೀಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದು ಏನಿದು? ವಾಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್? ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್. I like sweet. Do you like sweet? Do you like sweet or no? Then they write an essay. They write an essay. Then he drives car. He drives car. Yes. Then Rama killed Ravana. Rama killed Ravana. These are called declarative, assertive or positive example. These are positive or assertive examples. Okay, is it understand? Okay, write down fast. Let's take some more examples of positive sentence. Is it right down? Shall I repeat it? Okay. Fine. So let us see some more examples. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. She is playing. She is playing chess. She is playing chess. Okay. Third one. It is an elephant. It is an elephant. It is an water elephant. Peacock. is our national what? Peacock is bird or animal? What? Peacock is what? Yes, bird. Peacock is our national bird. Then our national animal what? Tiger is our national animal. Okay, tiger is our national animal. Then he is a farmer. He is a farmer. Then we are in the classroom. We are in the classroom. Okay. We are in the classroom. Then next, the child is crying loudly. The child is crying loudly. As then, 91. Our school name is, what is your school name? Ganga International School. Yes, our school name is Ganga International School. Then 20. I saw crocodile. Crocodile. I saw crocodile. Where is the crocodile? In the water. Sometimes that also comes outside from the water. Okay. I saw the crocodile. See here. Take these examples. I am a teacher. 12th example. She is playing chess. She is playing what? Chess. Then 13th one. It is an elephant. It is an elephant. Then 14th one. Peacock is our national bird. ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಯಾವುದಂದ್ರೆ ನವಿಲು. That's like the 15th example. What is our national animal? Yes, tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Then he is a farmer. He is a farmer. Our ಒಬ್ಬ ರೈತ. Okay, then we are in class. Yes, very well. All you are in the classroom. All you are in the classroom. Is it right? We are in the class. Then the child is crying loudly. The child is crying loudly. Did you understand? Then our school name is Ganga International School. What is your school name? Ganga International School. Okay. Then 21. I saw crocodile. I saw crocodile. Crocodile means what? ಮೊಸಳೆನ ಮೀನನ? Crocodile means what? ಮೀನು ಅಥವಾ ಮೊಸಳೆ ಏನು? Yes, ಮೊಸಳೆ. Okay. So write down these examples. Is it understand students? ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಕಲ್ತ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ. ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದರ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. 4 kinds of sentence are there: assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamative. Is it understand? Did you learn? So ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್. ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅದ್ರ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು 20 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಐ ಗಿವನ್. ಓಕೆ, so on this base you just write down the homework what you learned in this class. Just simply write down the homework. So homework, write down. Write 10. Write 10. How much? Write 10 assertive examples. Write 10 assertive examples. It is your homework. Okay, what is the homework? Write 10 assertive example. You already taken 20 examples. That's like accept those what you have taken. Accept those what you have taken. Just write another sentences. Okay. ನಾವು ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 20 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ 10 ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. You have to write 10, only 10. I am telling only 10 examples, especially assertive examples you have to write. It is your homework. Is it understand? Okay, boys. Okay, children. See you in the next class.